In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Match's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, and then we want to head on over to pissconsumer.com because Match makes it quite difficult to contact their customer service team. So head over to pissconsumer.com. Now you want to click on the search bar, top right hand corner of the page here. And now type in match.com and then click search. Or if that doesn't, just redo it and either match.com or type in match. Now let's have a look here. Yep, that's it there. So it's match, not match.com. And now scroll down, which is interesting because match.com is here. So yeah, not sure what's happening there. Scroll down and then you want to see where it says reviews, about, contacts, Q&A. Go ahead and click on contacts. Ad might appear, so you just click out of the ad, scroll down, and as you can see, there's a toll-free number here, so you can call customer service or you can send them a message.